Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to change notification sounds for specific contacts in WhatsApp. So let's open WhatsApp application on your device and you want to go to a specific contact. Now let's tap their name at the very top of your screen and let's select section notifications. So here you can change sounds for messages and also calls. So let's tap on notification tone, and here you can browse through all collections and set the one that you like. Also you can customize a vibration, so and also you can customize sound for call. Let's go to ringtone, and here you will see options from ringtones that you can choose, and yeah, you can customize that for all your contacts so that you know who calls you or who messages you without even looking at your screen. So that could be very useful. So yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.